Hands apart, feet apart. Close your eyes. Uh, uh, uh. Stretch it. Close your eyes. Right there. Okay. ഹലോ കിട്ടുന്നില്ലേ? ഹലോ, കേക്കണ്ട? ഓക്കെ. Slowly bring your feet together, hands together. Stretch your arms over behind the head. Jumping Surya Namaskaram തുടങ്ങാം കേട്ടോ. Stretch and slowly stand up. Feet together, hands together. Inhale. Now exhale, Namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms up, stretch. Stretch as much as you can. Exhale, bend forward. Try to place your palms down on the floor. Right leg back. Both leg back. Parvada, hip up. Try to put the heels down and try to push your hip maximum up. Right leg up. More up, more up, more up. Right leg forward. Left hand up. Look up. Down. Both legs forward, forward, forward. Place your palms down. Your knee should be straight. Try to loosen and relax your upper body. Left leg back. Both leg back. Parvada, hip up. Try to put the heels down and try to push your hip maximum up. Left leg up. More up, more up, more up. Left leg forward. Right hand up. Look up. Down. Both leg forward. Keep your knees straight. Try to place the palms down on the floor. Inhale, stretch arms up, stretch. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms up. Little more up, more up, more up, more up. Exhale, bend forward. Both leg back, jump and back. Parvada, hip up. Try to put the heels down on the floor. Bhujanga, drop your hip down and arch your head back. Parvada, hip up. Right leg forward. And right hand up. Look up. Stay there. Enjoy the stretch. Down. Both leg back. Parvata. Left leg up. More up. More up. More up. Left leg forward. And left hand up. Look up. Down. Both leg back. Parvata. Try to put the heels down and try to push your hip maximum up. And both legs forward. Jump and forward. Make your knees straight. Place your palms down on the floor. Inhale, stretch arms up, stretch. Exhale, namaskara. Inhale, stretch arms up. A little bit more, stretch, stretch. Exhale, bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata, hip up. Try to put the heels down on the floor. Push your hip maximum up. Bhujanga. Arch your head back. Parvata. Both leg forward. Make your knees straight. Stretch arms up. Exhale, namaskara. Stretch arms up. Bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata. Bhujanga. Parvata. Both leg forward. Stretch arms up. Namaskara. Stretch arms up. Bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata. Bhujanga. Parvata. Both leg forward. Stretch arms up. Namaskara. Stretch arms up. Bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata. Bhujanga. Parvata. Both leg forward. Stretch arms up. Namaskara. Stretch arms up. Bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata. Bhujanga. Parvata, both leg forward, stretch arms up, namaskara, stretch arms up, bend forward, both leg back, Parvata, Bhujanga, Parvata, both leg forward, stretch arms up, namaskara, stretch arms up, bend forward. Both leg back. Parvata, try to put the heels down and push your hip up. Bhujanga, drop your hip down, arch your head back. Slowly bend your knees, try to put your feet on your head. Bend your knees. Just bend the knees. As much as you can, try to put your feet on your head, your own head. Down. Lay down on the abdomen. Bend your both knees. Hold on the ankles with your both hands. Head up, chest up, legs up. Try to push your legs out, away from the body. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Try to push your legs more up. 1, up, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 down. Exhale, Nigunja, sit back. Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja, Nigunja, Gaja. Then stay there. Don't move your hip forward or backward. Just spread your legs apart. Knees apart. Knees apart. Knees apart. In the same posture, just push your knees apart. Your hip should not move back, forward or backward. Maximum. Knees apart. More. You can try to put your hip down on the floor if you can by pushing the knees apart. Wider. Good. Stay there. Don't move your hip forward. Stay there. Arch your head back like Bhujanga and stay there. Enjoy the stretch. Keep smiling. Exhale Niguncha in the same posture. Keep your legs there itself and slowly sit back in Niguncha. Keep your legs there itself. Your knees should be wider. And sit back in Niguncha. Lay down there. Stay there. Slowly come up, Gaja. Take your right leg out to the right side. Left leg to left. Spread your legs as much as you can. Give your whole body weight on your hands and spread the legs. Try to hold on the ankles with your both hands. You can spread your feet a little more apart, so automatically you can put your head down on the floor. Enjoy the stretch. Slowly come up, come back to Gaja. Right knee forward. Bring your right knee forward in between your hands. Right knee forward. And arch back. Kapoda. Arch back. Arch your hands also back. Try to keep your elbows straight. Down. Pull your same leg a little forward, the feet a little forward. 90 degree, yes. And lay down on the leg. Always try to keep your hip up, don't go sidewise. Keep your body straight. Hip side opposite. Hip up out. Bring your hip up. Good, stay there. Slowly come back to Gaja. Left Left knee forward. Bring it maximum forward. And arch back. Try to make your elbow straight. Arch a little bit more backward, 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 backward. Down. Pull your feet forward. A little more. And lay down on the edge. Don't go sidewise. It should be straight down. Try to lay down on the shin. Try to lay down on the shin. Slowly come back. Gaja. Nigunsha, sit back. Gaja. Nigunsha. Gaja. Nigunsha. Gaja. Right leg forward. Bring your right leg in between the hands. Push your back leg a little more backward. The front leg should be on 90 degree. Push your leg more back, more back, more back. And arch back. Try to push your hip down and arch. Try to push your hip more down. Down, put your hands down and slowly straighten your front knee. In the same posture, straighten the front knee. And slowly push your heel forward. Push the heel more forward, 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 forward. Good, 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 good. Same time, if you want, you can push your left knee backward. Get a full spread. No worries. Enjoy. Slowly come back to Gaja. Left leg forward. Push your left knee a little bit more backward, backward, backward. And arch back. Push your hip more down towards the floor. You can even try to touch the floor with your hip. Try to place your hip down on the floor. Nice posture. Enjoy. Keep smiling. Down, put your hands down and make your knees straight. Make your knees straight and push your heel forward. Push your heel more forward, 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 forward. A little bit more, 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 more. Gaja. Niguncha. Bhujanga. Niguncha. Bhujanga. Inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Niguncha. 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 Inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Parvata. Hipa. Inhale Bhujanga. Exhale Parvata. 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 Then jump and both legs forward. Make your knees straight. Stretch arms up. Stretch. Exhale Namaskara. Inhale down and lay down. Lay down for a while.